Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a downloadable PDF to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on this website button below the website you want to add a downloadable PDF on. Go to Pages. Select the page you want to add your downloadable PDF on. If you want to add it on one of your blog posts, just go to your blog page, go to blog content, and select one of your blog posts. Let's add it on this blog post, for example. Click on this edit button from the top. Now open the PDF file on your computer in order to take a screenshot of the first page. Here on my Mac, I have this tool called Lightshot Screenshot. I use it to take screenshots of my computer screen. I will save it on my computer. Now click on this blue plus icon, select image, click on add an image, upload file from my computer. This is it. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now that my screenshot photo is uploaded to my website, click on attach link, and from this list select file. Click on this up arrow, then select your PDF file on your computer and double click it to start uploading to your Squarespace website. My PDF file is also completely uploaded. Click anywhere on this page to close this window. Click on this save button from this corner, then click on exit to go into the preview mode. Now this is my page live, and when I click on my screenshot or my PDF first page screenshot, this new page opens up and I can download my PDF file to my computer. And this is how to add a downloadable PDF to Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.